Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
So, I can't see you. There you go. We have been out and about because Gabriel's secret Santa person was assigned to him.
It's slowly tilting down.
Man. His secret Santa, well, the person that he's going to be secret Santa for was assigned to him. Now it's up to my man. And so instead of waiting and not being able to get the person anything at all.
I think it's still going down.
Oh my goodness gracious. Instead of waiting and not being able to get them anything because of the blizzard, we decided to get up and wow, there are police everywhere. What's going on? But we decided to go and get a few things this morning. What? Okay. All right. That's exciting.
It's still going down.
Anyway, I'm not going to show what he got. I have to like keep it on my face.
This is what I got. Just kidding.
We are heading back into the hotel, and our friends are actually going to come say hi before the show, because they're going to come see the show, but they're not going to wait around because there's a blizzard coming. We have friends here. Look, yay, yay. Ah, even the teenagers. I am in the parking garage and somebody lost their pig slipper. I'm getting Secret Santa stuff. I think I've lost my mind. It's crazy out here. All right, mission accomplished. I've gotten some things for Gabriel's person. And the snow is really coming down now, so I am going to head back and park in the garage and probably just hang out and wait for the show to be over. If there's a seat, maybe I'll watch. Well, I don't think I'll make it there in time for Act 2. Yeah, but I'll just hang out and wait for the show to end. I am back in the hotel. It won't pick up, but like it is really, really coming down hard now. And it's like 13 or 14 degrees and the wind is starting to blow. So, it isn't quite like blizzard conditions yet, but man, I really hope that our friends make it home safely. I think they'll be just ahead of the really bad stuff. So, I'm standing here just like looking out the window, and it's so pretty to watch, especially since I'm standing in front of my heater and there's heat blowing up on me. Here is a word of advice. When you stay in a hotel, make sure, and it has a mini fridge, make sure what setting the mini fridge is on when you arrive. Whoever had this room last and used the refrigerator last had the mini fridge set as a freezer. So everything that I put in there is frozen solid. I am not happy. They got something fancy set up in here. Like the big ballroom has all the tables, all the chairs, and the fancy buffet.
Hey, want to grab pizza or
You're walking like Frankenstein because you're cold. You haven't really lived until you are eating frozen guacamole on crackers like it's ice cream, but using a plastic knife to shave little pieces of frozen guacamole out of the guacamole. Yes, I turned down the fridge hours ago, but everything is still frozen solid. Everybody's going to their call time. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. It's so windy.
It's freezing.
It's freezing.
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 It dropped 2 degrees in 45 minutes.
Yeah. So
below 0.
yeah, I'm putting my extra layer of pants on now. All right, we're back in the room.
Making pizza.
Making pizza from the lobby. Oh,
Good thing it has
I am glad
the
you
plastic
hadn't.
wrap.
Yeah, it's in the plastic wrap still.
I think I need more room
It's
to
a
do this.
DiGiorno, a mini DiGiorno from the hotel store.
Wait, I gotta cut this open.
So, do you need help?
I got it.
Okay. So I'm excited though because we did a little
Little something.
something, and it's Secret Santa stuff. So we're very excited.
He might have just given.
Also, it's only been about not even 30 minutes, and it's already dropped another 2 degrees from the last time whenever I was waiting for him. So, yeah. Now it is -5 actual temperature. Feels like, I haven't even looked at what it feels like, but it's probably like -39 or something. But, and everybody trekked over to the hotel, and we are here. Also, when cucumbers freeze and then they thaw, they're no good. FYI. So we purchased a bunch of cucumbers because Gabriel loves cucumbers, and now none of them can be eaten. Final clip. I am kind of tired, and I'm also kind of tired of eating crackers. So, as of right now, I think that we're going to be able to go home tomorrow night. I mean, there is a double run tomorrow, so I think that we'll be able to go home tomorrow night. It doesn't look like we got, I mean, I don't know. It could change overnight, but like it doesn't seem like we got exactly what they were telling us we'd get. Because the wind really didn't pick up a whole heck of a lot. It's just, I mean, it's freezing, and it is windy, but it's not whiteout conditions or anything here right now. Our friends got home safely, thank goodness, and they didn't have any problems at all, so that's good. The show went well, so that's good. And tomorrow's a double, and a new swing is going to be going on that I've never seen perform, so that is super cool, and that means I will have to watch at least one of the shows tomorrow to see that person perform. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that for today. So until tomorrow.